Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Oppo F29 runs the latest color OS build and is charged above 30%. Once done, backup lock screen settings and any fingerprint templates so you can restore if needed. You then open settings and go straight to security and biometrics to access fingerprint management. Do not add or delete templates yet. This prepares the phone for the deeper steps that follow and prevents data loss while you change the animation safely. You now access the fingerprint animation controls. Go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and look for Fingerprint Animation. If the option is hidden, make sure Developer Options are enabled and toggle System Animation Flags or OEM-specific toggles. This unlocks hidden UI options. Once visible, you can preview built-in animations. If you want custom visuals, install a reputable theme or system tweak app that targets color OS fingerprint overlays. Make sure overlays are allowed in app permissions for the change to apply. You finish by selecting the animation and immediately testing it. Lock the phone and scan your fingerprint several times to confirm consistent playback. If it does not appear, clear the Settings app cache, revoke and regrant overlay permissions, then reboot. This resolves most visibility issues. If problems persist, restore the backed up fingerprint templates or uninstall the tweak app. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after exporting data. This fixes corrupt system settings, but only when...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.